Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of quinoa, a versatile and nutritious seed that's often mistaken for a grain. While quinoa has gained popularity in recent years for its delicious taste and unique texture, it's also celebrated for its numerous health benefits. Join me as we explore why quinoa is not just a grain, but a seed of health. Quinoa, pronounced quinoa, has been cultivated for thousands of years in the Andean region of South America. It's often referred to as a pseudo-cereal because it's cooked and eaten like a grain, but botanically, it's actually a seed. Quinoa comes in various colors, including white, red, black, and tricolor, and each variety has its own unique flavor and nutritional profile. Let's start by discussing the impressive nutritional profile of quinoa. This tiny seed is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients like protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the standout features of quinoa is its high protein content. In fact, quinoa is considered a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs for optimal health. This makes quinoa an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to meet their protein needs. Quinoa is also naturally gluten-free, making it suitable for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. You can find quinoa flour, which is made from ground quinoa seeds, in many gluten-free baking recipes, including bread, muffins, and pancakes. Quinoa is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a wide variety of dishes. You can use it as a base for salads, soups, or stir-fries, or enjoy it as a side dish in place of rice or couscous. You can also blend cooked quinoa into smoothies, or use it as a filling for stuffed vegetables or peppers. One of my favorite ways to enjoy quinoa is by making quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Simply mix cooked quinoa with vegetables, beans, herbs, and spices. Then stuff the mixture into halved bell peppers and bake until tender. It's a delicious and nutritious meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Quinoa flakes are another convenient option for incorporating quinoa into your diet. These gluten-free flakes can be used to make oatmeal, granola, or homemade energy bars. They're a great source of fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, making them a nutritious addition to your breakfast or snack routine. Quinoa salads are a popular dish that showcases the versatility and flavor of quinoa. You can mix cooked quinoa with chopped vegetables, herbs, nuts, seeds, and a simple vinaigrette dressing for a colorful and nutritious salad that's perfect for picnics, potlucks, or weekday lunches. If you have a sweet tooth, why not try making quinoa pancakes? Simply blend cooked quinoa with eggs, milk, flour, and your favorite flavorings like cinnamon or vanilla extract, then cook the batter on a hot griddle until golden brown. These fluffy pancakes are a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. Quinoa porridge is another warming and comforting dish that's perfect for chilly mornings. Simply cook quinoa with milk or water until soft and creamy, then top it with your favorite toppings like fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. So there you have it, folks. Quinoa is not just a grain, but a seed of health that offers a wide range of nutritional benefits. Whether you're enjoying it as a salad, stuffing, pancake, or porridge, quinoa is a versatile and delicious addition to any meal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and nutrition tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.